Today we are going to draw and color balloon which starts from the letter B. So the things we need are a pencil, an eraser, a black sketch pen and some colors. So let's start. First we are going to make a curved oval like this. It should be a little bigger from the up. It should be a little bigger from the upside. Now here we are going to draw like this curved lines and we are going to make a long line like this. Now inside the balloon we are going to fill some design. I am going to draw circles because it's common on balloons. Like this. Now we are going to outline it. Now we are going to color this. Now I am going to take yellow color and I am leaving the circles. I am going to color the rest of the balloon inside the oval shape. To take red color and I am going to color the circles. You can even choose the color of your choice. And with the same color I will color this shape. And now our balloon is ready. A balloon has air inside it, that's why it can blow. Children like to play with balloon and it can be of different shapes, sizes and colors. Thanks for watching.